Picture Talk winter season.
Snow is falling down, let's make a snowman. Snow is falling all around, let's make a snowman. First we need to roll some snow into some great big balls. And when that's done, we'll stack them up to make our snowman tall. A pair of sticks to make 2 arms and gloves to make 2 hands. We'll make our snowman wave hello just like a person can. Snow is falling down, let's make a snowman. Snow is falling all around, let's make a snowman. Snow is falling down, let's make a snowman. Snow is falling all around, let's make a snowman. What can we use to make a face that stands out from the snow? Some stones to make the eyes and mouth, a carrot for the nose. A hat to go on our snowman's head, and then I think we're done. Step back and see our snowman smile and wave to everyone. Snow is falling down, let's make a snowman. Snow is falling all around, let's make a snowman. Let's make a snowman. Let's make a snowman.
Number 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thumb painting fish. Dip your thumb into the thick paste of different colour, or you can apply directly on your thumb with the help of a paintbrush. Then place your thumb on the paper to draw the different colour fish. Use black sketch colour to draw the face, fins and tails of the fish.
Food we eat, drink in winter season. What we like to drink in winter. Tea. Coffee. Milk. Food we eat, drink in winter. Soup. Dates. Where is Thumbkin?
Where is Thumbkin? Where is Thumbkin? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run and play, run and play. Where is
Underwater creatures. Dolphin. Shark. Whale. Seahorse.
Letter J. J-related objects. Jar. Jug. Jacket. Jam.
Shape, rectangle. Who am I? I'm a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Table. Door. Underwater creatures. Starfish. Lobster. Octopus. Tortoise.
Letter K. K-related object. kangaroo, kite, kettle, kitten,